Groggy and Mr. Amazing's dancing. Wait a minute, he got hit in the back of the head there. Wait, no counters. Drop kick. Not allowing the He-Man to capitalize at that point. Wait a minute. No. He got in the ring before he could knock him down for the frog. Oh, then he got a back suplex. I believe Mr. Amazing tried to do some sort of frog splash or something, but wait a minute. Oh, there's a counter by Mr. Amazing. And he's going for Air Amazing once more. He boards and connects with it. Now, here, I believe it. Here it comes. There's the frog splash connected. 1, 2, and no. Now, oh, look at this. Look at that power, and then tosses him. There's a lion sword across the ring. 1, 2, 3. No, he kicked out. Oh no! He-Man moved out of the way. Went for like a go-round or some sort of Dragon Rana maybe? I don't know. Nobody knows what the hell Mr. Amazing is going for. Any match. Now He-Man just punched at Mr. Amazing right in the face. No, Mr. Amazing countered that time. Slams him down. Oh, there's a knee to the face. And then a bulldog. Oh no. Look out. Knee to the face and then a neck breaker. And now punches. Little shake, rattle, and roll. I don't know what Mr. Amazing is thinking here. Wait a minute, He-Man got back up. Wait, he punched him off. He tried to attack him, and there's the Dragon Rana that he tried to go for earlier. 1, 2, and no, He-Man kicked out. There's the arm. Flips him into an elbow drop. And then there's a kip up. Now this time for the show bunny, He-Man stayed down. And there's a wheelbarrow suplex. And there's a... I believe that's the Lion Tamer. Yeah, it is the Lion Tamer. That knee right in the back of the skull of He-Man. Will He-Man tap out here? He just might have to. Wait, no, He-Man rolled through. Oh, and then flips him. The leg strike the He-Man. And now, He-Man. He-Man's going for the He-Manator. 1, 2, and 3. No, he kicked out. And he just punched him. And what the hell? Is he biting it? I think he just bit He-Man on the head. Now what? Oh no, you know what he's going for here? A top rope brain buster! Oh, wait a minute here. Here comes the Amazing End. It connects with the Amazing End. The ref out of position there too. And no, he kicked out. The ref a little out of position there. He kicked out of it. Wait a minute. Mr. Amazing counters with the sunset flip. He got up. Wait, no. Tried to go for a clothesline here and now. Amazing Impact. There's another amazing end. Again, the referee. 1, 2, and no. Again, he kicked out. He just took out the referee. I don't know if that was an accident or not. There's a clothesline. It took him down. Wait a minute. Now He-Man with the counter. Wait, and now He-Man with the power of Grayskull. 2 times. Mr. Amazing would have won this match. It'd be a shame if he lost to this. The power of Grayskull is locked in. No, Mr. Amazing flipped out of it into a DDT. So near the corner, leapfrog, did it again. Oh my God, amazing Impact. 1, 2, 3, that's it. This one's over. Did you see the impact of that? Watch this. This is uppercut, bam! I thought that was it. 2 times he could have won this matchup, but the referee was out of position. He was in perfect position for that amazing impact. My God, what impact that was! It busted He-Man wide open. Watch this. If it'll actually show it here. Bam! Oh my God! Sweet Jesus! I mean that kick that Goldberg delivered to Bret Hart in WCW at one time. Let's just hope He-Man doesn't have a jaw injury after that. I don't know what I was expecting him to do, but I was not expecting that. That kick was vicious. Mr. Amazing advances to round 2.